Hello, Sarah Stadler, mountain guide with Mount St. Helens Institute, and today we're going to talk about the ice axe. The parts of the ice axe: we have the adze, we have the head, we have the pick, we have the shaft, and we have the spike. To properly hold the ice axe, with your dominant hand, wrap your thumb underneath the adze and your fingers around the head of the axe. This is how you hold the axe. In this fashion, with the pick pointing away from you, you're less likely to stab yourself in any way. So when you travel this way, you always want to have the ice axe in the uphill hand. So right now, uphill is on my left, so I'm going to switch this to my left hand. And the way that you travel with it is you plunge it into the snow, sort of like a trekking pole, and then you step up to it. And then if you change directions, you need to change hands as well. So we're going to do a short demonstration of that. Plunge the ice axe, step up to it, plunge the ice axe, step up to it, and continue that until you need to turn. When you turn, change to your other hand, so it's the uphill hand. Plunge the ice axe, step up to it, plunge, step up, oop, plunge, step up. Now, if we were to get into a position where we fell, when you have the ice axe plunged into the snow, this is why we call this a personal belay, because you're holding yourself into the snow with this ice axe. If I were to start falling, I hold on to the ice axe as I fall, and it's going to hold me to some extent depending on how firm the snow is. From there, if you find yourself in a position where you are falling down the hill, let's say that we're in a sliding position on our butt, we need to put our other hand on the shaft of the ice axe so we have good control. You can see in this position the scary, dangerous part of the ice axe, the pick, is away from me. It's never going to point towards me. To self-arrest yourself, you need to dig the pick of the ice axe into the snow. I'll do this on the camera side to show. So if I'm sliding down the hill right now, I need to twist, dig the ice axe into the snow, and as I'm sliding, I need to pull that into myself. This motion, bringing it into your chest, is the best motion because it's going to keep everything underneath you and strong. We'll do a fast motion of that. To pack your ice axe, put the pick pointed inward towards the backpack and the spike pointed down. You're going to thread the spike down through the gear loop. Once you get to the bottom, you're just going to twist it back up and then attach it to whatever gear loop is on your backpack. Usually there's a little bungee system here. This prevents the spike of the ice axe from pointing downward where it could hit you when you fall, maybe your hand. It also prevents the pick from being pointing outward, which would hit you or someone else potentially. So here's your proper way to store your ice axe.